Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix Snapchat not working, can't send nor receive Snap on your device. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So first method in order to fix it is to tap on your Play Store application. On the search box, type in Snapchat. Over here, you'll have to make sure whether the application is updated or not. So right now you can see that instead of open, I have update button. So all I need to do is tap on update. So after you're done updating your application, try sending the messages and you'll be able to fix it. In case updating your application doesn't work, then what you can do is just simply go back to your home screen, and then after that long press on your Snapchat application and then tap on app info. So after you tap on app info, on the other side scroll down and look for permission. So after you find permission, just simply tap on it. So right over here, you'll have to make sure that all of these features are allowed or enabled, and after that you might be able to fix your problem. In case if you're still unable to fix it, then do the same process, that is go back to your app info and you'll have to tap on storage. So after you tap on storage, on the other side you'll have to tap on clear cache, and after you tap on clear cache, you might also want to tap on clear data. So once you tap on clear data, keeping in mind all your information along with the chat history will be deleted. In case if you're sure about it, then tap on OK, and after that you'll have to log in once again. And after you log in into your device, and if you're able to send or receive Snap, then it means that the problem has been fixed. And in case if you're not able to send neither receive any Snap, then the other thing what you can do is just simply reinstall your Snapchat application, and after that you might be able to fix your problem. So those were the few methods on how you can fix Snapchat not working. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.